Dear students, today I will be telling you about one personality of Sikhism whose contribution is too much towards the Sikh religion. His name is Bhai Mani Singh Ji. Bhai Mani Singh Ji's death anniversary falls on 8th July, that is yesterday. Many people says that he was a Julas Jat. Some says he was Kamboj and some says he was Kanekash. In 1644 he was born at Alipur, a village, a district Muzaffargarh of Punjab, Pakistan. His father's name was Maidas. His grandfather's name was Balurai. His mother's name was Madurabai. They were 12 brothers. His childhood name was Maniram, and his parents with affections called him Maniya. When he was 13 years old, his father took him to Kirtpur Sahib. At that time, 8th Guru Har Rai Ji was, it was 7th Guru Har Rai Ji was there. Guru Har Rai Ji asked the name of the child. Then Maidas said his name is Maniya. Bhai Mani Singh Ji or Mani Ram, he remained at Kirtpur Sahib for 2 years and do the seva of the 7th Guru Har Rai Ji. His father Maidas came back after 2 years to bring the child because his marriage was fixed. Mani Ram Ji came back to his village and he was married to one S.C.O. Bhai. S.C.O. Bhai was the daughter of Lakhi Rai, and he is the same Lakhi Rai who is popularly called as Lakhi Shah Banjara, who took the body of the 9th Sikh Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji to his house and burnt his entire house, where nowadays in Delhi it is Gurdwara Rakabganj is situated. After marriage, Mani Ram Ji or Bhai Mani Singh Ji came back to the 7th Guru Har Rai Ji. Guru Har Rai Ji died and succeeded by the 8th Guru Har Krishan. Guru Har Krishan Ji went to Delhi and Mani Ram Ji also went to Delhi along the 8th. On 30th March 1644, the 8th Guru died in Delhi. His last words were Baba Bakala. Bhai Mani Singh Ji came back to Bakala and served the 9th Guru Ji. After Bakala, 9th Guru Ji went to a village called Balla. Mani Singh Ji remained with the 9th. When Bhai Mani Singh Ji was 35 years old, he wrote the Gutkas. And when 9th Guru Ji went to East, Mani Singh Ji also completed. Bhai Diyala was one of the brothers, elder brothers of Bhai Mani Singh. When ninth Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, went to Delhi and he was executed, Bhai Mani Singh Ji remained with the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji at Makhova, which later on came to be known as Anand. Bhai Mani Singh Ji used to write gutkas, used to have Simran, and used to do the seva, always believes in Man Nima ਅਤੇ ਮਤ ਪੁੱਛ। Bhai Mani Singh Ji was also an expert horseman and a great warrior. He fought along with Guru Gobind Singh Ji in the Battle of Bangani in 1686 against the Pahari Rajas. So he was an expert horseman also. Bhai Mani Singh Ji elder brother Bhai Dyala was put in hot water in Delhi when Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was executed. Bhai Mani Singh Ji was in Anandpur Sahib, and he was given one designation, that is Darbari Diwan, by the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Mani Singh Ji went to Paonta Sahib along with the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. In the meantime, Ram Raya, one of the sons of the 7th Guru, who was settled in Dehradun, died. His wife, Punjab Kaur, she asked 10th Guru Ji to come for the first Barsi of Ram Raya. Guru Ji himself did not went there and sent Bhai Mani Singh Ji, where one Masand insulted the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh. His name was Gurbaksh. And he spoke some ill words about the 10th Guru. Mani Singh Ji put him down because he cannot hear ill words for his Guru. When in 1699 Khalsa was founded at Anandpur Sahib, Mani Ram or Bhai Mani Singh Ji was also baptized. His 5 sons, Bachittar Singh, Uday Singh, Anak Singh, Ajaib Singh, Ajab Singh, they were also baptized. His 3 brothers, Rai Singh, Roop Singh, Man Singh, they were also baptized. For your information, I would like to tell you that it is the same Bachittar Singh who broke the head of the elephant of Lakhpat Rai. Lakhpat Rai died. Uday Singh, he killed one Pahari Raja in one of the battles. They were the sons of Bhai Mani Singh Ji. From Anandpur Sahib, Guruji sent Bhai Mani Singh Ji to Amritsar because there was a disorder in Amritsar. After some time, Bhai Mani Singh Ji came back and settled at Anandpur Sahib. During the second battle of Anandpur Sahib, there was a Pravar Vichoda, and Guruji asked Bhai Mani Singh Ji to accompany Sahib Kaur Ji and Bibi Sundari Ji. And Bhai Mani Singh Ji took them to Delhi via Ambala. Then In 1706, Bhai Mani Singh ji took Sahib Kaur ji and Sundari ji to Damdama Sahib, where they came to know about the sacrifice of her children. 2 children died in the battle of Chamkaur Sahib, and the 2 Sahibjadas, they were bricked up in the walls of Sarhand. Guruji, the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, at Talwandi Sabo, which is also known as Guru Ki Kashi, he recited the Granth Sahib or Guru Granth Sahib, and it was written by Bhai Mani Singh. And many scholars say the Ardas, which is in the present form, was also compiled by the Bhai Mani Singh. He was a great scholar, learned man. Guru Gobind Singh Ji went to Dakhan, and Bhai Mani Singh Ji went to Delhi. When Banda Bahadur came, Bhai Mani Singh Ji came back to Amritsar, and after the death of Banda Bahadur, the Khalsa was divided into Bandais and Tat Khalsa. One Bandai's leader, Amar Singh, came Karniya. He was the same person who brought the pieces of Banda Bahadur from Delhi in one bag for his family. He was started his own Khalsa, that is called Bandais, and had settled just near the Harmandir Sahib. Everyone knows Bandais used to say Fateh Darshan, and the Tat Khalsa says Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ka Fateh. Ultimately, with the efforts of Bhai Mani Singh Ji, in 1721, both were united. The family of Bhai Mani Singh Ji have sacrificed too much in Sikhism. Baba Ballu Rai, who was the grandfather of Bhai Mani Singh Ji, he fought the first battle of Amritsar in 1634 along with the 6th Guru, Guru Hargobind, and he died in the battlefield. Bhai Mani Singh Ji were 12 brothers. Only one of his brother, that is Amar Chand, died of illness. Rest 11 sacrificed their lives. The 7 sons of Bhai Mani Singh Ji sacrificed their life. 10 grandsons of Bhai Mani Singh Ji sacrificed their life. And Mani Singh Ji also sacrificed his life. So altogether 29 members of his family sacrificed their lives. Mani Singh Ji remained in Darbar Sahib at Amritsar, and many scholars say that the Dasham Granth Sahib was also compiled by Bhai Mani Singh Ji. Bhai Mani Singh Ji was a Granthi in Darbar Sahib and wanted to celebrate Diwali. He asked the governor of Lahore or Punjab, that is Zakaria Khan, that Sikhs wanted to celebrate the Diwali. It was in 1632 or 33. Sorry, 1732 or 33. Zakaria Khan agreed, and he In lieu of that, asked that you are to pay me 5,000 rupees and somewhere it is written 10,000 rupees. Guruji agreed. When the huge gathering was to be there in Amritsar, Zakaria Khan asked Jaspat Rai to attack on Amritsar. Many people died, and Bhai Mani Singh ji could not pay the rupees 5,000 to Zakaria Khan. He was 90 years old. He was brought to Nakaha. Nakaha that is a one chowk in Lahore where the Sikhs were brought and executed, like the Chandni Chowk in Delhi. Later on, this Nakaha came to be known as Shaheed Ganj. The two Sikhs accompanied Bhai Mani Singh ji, they were Guljara Singh and Bhupat Singh. Abdul Razak was a Qazi who announced the punishment for the Guru. Bhupat Singh was blinded and Guljara Singh was tortured to death. On 8th July 1734, when Bhai Mani Singh ji was 90 years old, an old man, 8th July, that is yesterday, he was cut into pieces, begin from his fingers till the last part of the body. And when the Jalad was cutting Bhai Mani Singh ji into pieces, he carries on reciting until the last, the Sukhmani Sahib, great person who sacrificed the life for Sikhism. He was even asked by Zakaria Khan that he will spare the life of Mani Singh ji if he embraced the Islam. He said, "Mainu Sikhi pyari." Yesterday was his death anniversary. All should pay respect and homage to the great scholar and the great person who sacrificed life. Thank you very much.